Hi everyone, this is Joe from Joe Pro Decor, and I just want to go through the new products I've received for testing, and it's called the Gripper Buddy, and this is for the purpose of protecting your hands against cutting them when you're rubbing down, prepping woodwork and painting. Now I have had a little go of this product and it's absolutely brilliant for rubbing down. That is unless you do what I do and use a Mirka sander or a Festool sander, which means you don't really need it because of the angle that you hold the sander at. But if you're hand sanding any woodwork, skirting boards in particular where there's gripper rods on the floor, it's great. So as you can see, if you were to rub that down, it's protecting your hands. So it's absolutely brilliant for that. So if you're one of them people that hasn't got on the Mirka and Festool wagon yet, then this is perfect for you. It's going to save your hands time and time again. Now for painting, I've had a little go. It does work for painting, but it takes longer in my opinion. One good thing it is for, I mean, everybody hoovers up correctly and make sure there's no dust. Sometimes even so you can still miss the odd bit, and if you're going right down to the bottom of the skirting boards you may pick up some dust, some dirt, so then this will obviously stop you from doing that. But for me personally, it slows it down. It's easier just to brush on without, because of the angle of the brush. Makes it awkward with the Gripper Buddy. Without, it's easy. You're not going anywhere near the grippers, so I don't even know if this was the intention of this product, to use it with painting or applying paint, but for me it's a preparation tool and it does work for that. Now cost, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, is about between 10 and 15 pounds. I'd say it's probably worth that. It's probably worth spending that. I mean, at the end of the day, it's tax deductible and it can just sit on your van and it will always come in handy at some point. So I would say this is something we should all have on our van, to be perfectly honest, unless you've got some kind of homemade product that does the same thing, because at the end of the day, it is a piece of plastic. It's formed plastic. I'm sure there's people out there that have actually invented their own little tool that they use themselves. So yeah, it's worth it. It's worth the 10 to 15 pound. I wouldn't pay anything more than that. So that's it. I'll see you later, guys. Bye for now.